Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been my role model foldable since last year, so when unfolding it to get a bigger display still feels futuristic every time I do it. The cameras get the work done, and it is an amazing mobile device for productivity. But despite being the best of its kind, all things can use some improvement, and that's the case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 as well. Front displays on foldables are meant to get things done quickly, without having to go to the next step of unfolding the phone. For instance, replying to that message on WhatsApp, checking the time, swiping through notifications, and anything that requires little effort. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 flies through quick tasks on the slim 6.2-inch display unless I have to quickly type something on it. Typing on the cover display of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a troublesome task. Due to the slimness of the screen, you don't get the usable width on the keyboard, which results in a lot of typos that end up frustrating me. Making the cover display wider solves the problem of typos, but also leads to a wider foldable display. Based on my experience with the Oppo Find N, it might not be a good idea despite the usability improvement. I like the taller aspect ratio of the Fold 3 rather than the wider aspect ratio on the Find N. If Samsung could shrink the size of the left bezel on the cover display and increase its width, while keeping the dimensions the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 3, I'll be glad. With Chinese smartphone manufacturers raising the bar on fast charging to a mind-boggling 120W, I hope to see the Galaxy Z Fold 4 offer up to 45W fast charging at least. I'm fine with a 4400 mAh battery if I get support for fast charging that can get my phone from 10% to 60% within 35 minutes or so. Samsung has done it before with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, so there's no reason it can't bring 45W fast charging support to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. When Samsung debuted the 4MP under-display camera UDC on the Fold 3, it was making a huge bet by adding an innovative new feature while also sacrificing usability. It's beautiful to have a 7.6-inch display without any cutout bothering you and makes full-screen content appear more thrilling. However, the quality of the selfies taken from the UDC isn't great though. Fortunately, Samsung is likely already working on a next-gen UDC with better image quality output, and I hope it debuts on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung introduced the capability of S Pen support from its Note lineup to the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 3. However, both of them missed out on a huge functional design feature that the Note had, a place to keep the S Pen. If the Galaxy S22 Ultra renders are anything to go by, Samsung is already working on a place you can slot the S Pen without needing to shell out for a special case as we expected. That is it guys, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.